morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are safe at home. Welcome to your reasoning and know your aptitude class. Today we are going to do chapter 2, measuring units. Introduction. Measurement is the action of measuring something. We can measure length, weight, height, time and more. Measurement is what? Measurement is the action of measuring things. Measurement मापना क्या है? Action है in which we measure something. It can be anything. It can be length, height, weight, time and more. If we didn't have measurement, it would be very hard to know when to go to school, how much you weigh or how much money you have. अगर if we don't have measurement, मतलब हमें मापना नहीं आता, तोलना नहीं आता, तो हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता कि कब स्कूल जाएं, हमारा कितना वेट है और हमारे पास कितनी मनी है. लाइफ इज सो मच इजी व्हेन वी नो हाउ टू मेजर थिंग्स. लाइफ बहुत आसान है जब हमें पता है चीजों को कैसे मापना तोलना है. एंड दैट इज वाई मेजरमेंट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. इसलिए मेजरमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू मेजर थिंग. Before starting, let's understand what is measuring things. Let's understand what is measuring. Measuring something means putting the amount of thing into number. When we are measuring something, we put the amount of thing into number. जब हम कोई चीज को measure कर रहे हैं, माप रहे हैं या तोल रहे हैं, उस चीज को, उस amount को हम numbers में convert करते हैं. We change it to numbers. Let's learn to measure thing. Now we are going to learn how to measure the thing. Type 1 is comparing length of given objects. When we have to compare the length, लंबाई मापनी है हमें objects की. First for straight object, जो objects हमारे सीधे हैं, measure them by either tape or ruler. We can measure them by either tape or ruler. Tape से या ruler यानी scale से measure कर सकते हैं. For curved objects, to know the length of two or more different objects, remember these facts. For the curved object, you have to remember these facts. If the object has maximum curve, then it is the longest. If the object has maximum curves, then it is the longest. If the object has minimum curve, then it is the shortest. Minimum मतलब कम, maximum means ज्यादा. जिस ऑब्जेक्ट में कर्व ज्यादा होंगे वो लॉन्गेस्ट हो जाएगा और जिस ऑब्जेक्ट में कर्व्स हमारे कम होंगे वो शॉर्टेस्ट हो जाएगा. फॉर द कर्व ऑब्जेक्ट यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर दीज 2 पॉइंट्स. टाइप 2, कंपेयरिंग वेट्स ऑफ गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट्स. व्हेन वी हैव टू कंपेयर वेट ऑफ द गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट, टू फाइंड आउट द वेट ऑफ द गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट, यूज वेइंग स्केल. नाउ डिवाइड देम इनटू दीज 2 ग्रुप्स. व्हेन वी हैव टू compare the weights of given object, we use weighing scale. Weighing scale means तराजू use करते हैं जब हमें दो चीजों का weight को measure करना होता है. Now divide them into these 2 groups. Then you have to divide the objects into these 2 groups. From lightest to heaviest, मतलब हल्के से भारी की तरफ. From heaviest to lightest, सबसे भारी से सबसे हल्के की तरफ. Type 3, converting one unit into another unit. How to convert one unit into another unit? First is money. One unit of money is converted into another unit in this way. If we have to convert the units of money into another unit of money, it is converted in this way. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. A rupee has 100 paisa. Next is time. 1 unit of time is converted into another unit in this way. The time, समय की unit को हम कैसे convert करते हैं 1 unit को दूसरे में. Let's see. Number of days in a week is 7. How many days are there in a week? 7. Number of months in a year is 12. How many months are there in a year? 12. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Students, you have to learn these points that how many days are there in a week, how many months are there in a year, how many minutes does a 1 hour have, how many seconds makes a 1 minute. You have to learn them for doing sums on measurement of time. Let's learn how to do sums on measurement. We are going to do examples first. First example is which is the longest color. You have to find which is the longest. Longest matlab lamba. So you are given with the 4 colors. Red color, purple, green and yellow. You have to find which is the longest color among them. You can see from the colors given which is the longest. Yes, green color is the longest. So we are going to take green. Example 2. Which is the lightest among rectangle, cuboid or diamond? You have to find which among them is the lightest. Lightest means हल्का. इन तीनों शेप्स में सबसे कम वेट का कौन सा है? सो लेट्स सी, वी आर गिवन विद द वेइंग स्केल. आपको दिख रहा है तराजू गिवन है तीनों फिगर्स में. फर्स्ट में यू कैन सी 2 रेक्टेंगल्स इक्वल्स टू 4 सर्कल्स. तो जो 2 रेक्टेंगल्स हैं वो हमारे कितने सर्कल्स के इक्वल हो गए? 2 के, है ना. और जो हमारा क्यूबॉइड है वो 3 सर्कल्स के इक्वल है. और जो हमारा 4 डायमंड्स हैं वो कितने के इक्वल है? 4 सर्कल्स के. सो यू कैन सी कि अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं कि एक एक शेप्स को, तो यहां पर अगर मैं एक ट्रायंगल लेती हूँ तो वो मेरे कितने के इक्वल हो जाएगा? 2 सर्कल्स के. इधर क्यूबॉइड 1 है वो 3 सर्कल के इक्वल है. और अगर मैं डायमंड को लेती हूँ तो एक डायमंड शेप किसके इक्वल हो जाएगी? 1 सर्कल की. सो विच अमंग देम इज द लाइटेस्ट? क्योंकि सर्कल से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो सबसे कम सर्कल्स किसमें है? इसमें. सो आवर आंसर विल बी सी. सो यू कैन अगेन सी 1 triangle equals to 2 circles or 1 cuboid 3 circles and 1 diamond equals to 1 circles. So diamond is the lightest. Example 3. Seema has some coins as given below. What total amount does she has? Seema has some coins as you can see in the picture. What is the total amount? So we are going to add the coins to get the total amount. Like she is having 5, 1 and 2 rupees coin. So let's count how many 5 rupees coin? 5 rupees coin, 2. So how many amount? 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have counted the 5 rupees coin. Now let's count the 2 rupees coin. How many? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3 coins of 2 rupees. That is 6. Now let's count the 1 rupee coin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many coins of 1 rupee? 5 and the amount will be 5. Now let's add 10, 6 and 5. We are going to add 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So we are going to take answer 21. I hope student you have understood how to find the total amount Seema has. So we have counted the number of coins and then added 5 2 coins. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then we have added 2 rupee coin. There are 3 2 rupee coin. So we have added 3. That is 3 times 2. That is 6. And how many 1 rupee coin? 5. So we have added 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 5. So we have added 10 plus 6 plus 5 is 21. 4. If yesterday was Monday, then tomorrow will be. If yesterday means कल क्या था? Monday. हमें क्या find out करना है? जो आने वाला कल है tomorrow. What will be it? If yesterday was Monday, then today is Tuesday and tomorrow will be Wednesday. So our answer will be Wednesday. क्योंकि yesterday जो बीत गया वो Monday था तो आज क्या हो गया? Tuesday. और जो आने वाला कल tomorrow है वो क्या हो जाएगा? Wednesday. 5. How many days are there in 2 weeks? How many days are there in a 2 week? So as we know 1 week is equal to 7 days. So we have to find the days in 2 weeks. So we are going to multiply 2 with 7. 2 sevens are 14. एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं. हमने 2 हफ्ते का निकालना है तो हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे क्योंकि 2 हफ्तों में तो ज्यादा दिन होंगे ना. तो वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 into 7. That is 14. Now comes to example number 6. 5 hours has dash minute. 5 hours have dash minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. As you know, we have learned 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we have to find how many minutes are there in 5 hours. So we are going to multiply 5 hours equals to 5 multiply 60. So 5 6 are 30 and 0 will be coming here. So we have multiplied. So our answer is 300. Example 7. 3 seconds come dash time in a minute. You have to find 3 seconds comes how many times in a minute. For that you have to know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 minute में 60 seconds होते. How many times 3 seconds will become? You have to divide 60 divided by 3 to get the answer. So let's see how we are going to divide 60. So let's see. We are going to divide like this. We are going to count the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So our answer is 0. But we have to carry down 0 here. तो 0 आया पर 0 तो 3 की टेबल पर नहीं आता, तो ये 0 यहाँ चला जाएगा. So 60 को कैसे डिवाइड किया? 60 को अंदर रखा, 3 का टेबल पड़ा, 3 की टेबल पर 6 कहाँ आता है? 2 पर. तो we have written 2 here and minus 6 is 0. Next is 0. We are going to take down 0. और अब 3 की टेबल पर तो 0 जाता नहीं. जब ऊपर से नंबर उतारते हैं वो टेबल पर नहीं जाता, वो 0 यहाँ लग जाती है. तो कितने टाइम्स आता है? 20 टाइम्स. आवर आंसर इज 20. Students, I hope you have understood the concept of these examples very well. You have to practice them in your book. See you in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.